was me. I can't seem to run away, thinking about it every day. I can't forget these memories. Though I shouldn't be surprised, the teardrop forming in my eye. Why did I sit there and watch you walk away? I thought that time would help me heal all this pain I have to feel, but I always remember the day when the rain started falling. You were here with me through the night. You are all I see, but as I come closer, you would disappear. So I know that you were never really here. I'm trying hard to keep it in, don't even know where to begin. You're doing this to me. This feeling that I can't explain. What's the use now anyway? I can fight this emotion. Although I have tried so hard, you had to leave me in the dark. Now we are strangers a thousand miles apart. I thought these rainy nights would flush all the memories of us, but I always remember, because when the rain starts falling, you're by my side, and I'm left with no place to hide. All the pain I suffer never goes away. I'm reminded of you on the rainy day. I just don't know how we just fell apart so suddenly. There is nowhere in your heart for me. I know that it's my fault. I was so blinded from this pride, and I'm left here alone in the night. When the rain started falling, you were here with me through the night. You are all I see. All this pain I suffer never goes away. I'm reminded of you on the rainy day. You are like the raindrop falling from above, giving life to me with your love. Even gray clouds haunting cannot make me leave. On the rainy day I think of you.